Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to tag people on your Instagram post. First thing you want to do, you want to launch the Instagram app. Let's click on the plus sign on the lower center of the screen. Let's create a brand new post. Let's pick up this one. Click next. No more tips over here guys. If you want to add some music, you can go ahead and click on the note icon in the upper center of the screen. You can browse, you can find some music, or you can go just by generic and you can find the different genres: pop, R&B, hip hop, everything that you like guys is over here. If you cannot find it, you can just go ahead over here in the search bar and find the song. Anyway, let's proceed with the actual post. Let's say we wanna tag someone, a company or a personal account. All you gotta do is to hit this tag people underneath, option number 1. So how we can go about in our image over here, we do have an iPhone, right? Let's click on the iPhone and let's try to find Apple, right? There you have it. We Google it, we did the search query, we find Apple. Let's click on Apple, and now we just created a brand new tag for Apple, right? Beneath the picture you will find a list that will be start adding all of your hashtags. What I'm trying to say, let's add another hashtag. This time around let's put boss. Okay, now we have boss. As you can see, our list just increased with another tag simply because we add boss. You can move the tags all around the place, right? Let's say you want to remove the tag. Let's say you tag the wrong account. How we can go about it? Well, the easiest way to do it is to go back on the list and just click on the X next to the actual account. You click on it and boom, the account is gone. The next thing you want to do if you want to proceed posting is just to hit done, and this is going to be your normal usual average post. Last tip over here guys, if you want to change the song that you already picked, you don't have to go back. All you gotta do is to scroll down, and here you will have the option to change, add, remove, replace the song just with one hit of a button. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more.